Hi there! So there's this technique that actually one of you suggested to me. I'm talking about Nina. Hi Nina, thank you for the idea. What she said is that she does this smoky eye technique where she applies a darker concealer as an eyeshadow base, and it kind of acts like a transition shade as well when she blends it out. So that's what I want to try today. I have here my anti-age eraser concealer from Maybelline. This is in the shade Warm Olive. It's darker than my skin tone. I used to use this as a cream contour, so I believe the shade will be right. Right now I have absolutely nothing on my lids, so let's get into it. I'll just pick the concealer from here. I don't want to apply too much because I am scared and I want to see how it goes first. So I'll just do this thing on my hand, and I'm gonna pat it on my lid and then blend it up to my crease. Well, that is actually Olive. It's the first time I actually noticed this undertone on it. Let's do the lower lash line as well. So this concealer for a lot of people can be a good eyeshadow base. So I feel like this is a two-in-one, an eyeshadow base as well as a transition shade. I'm gonna have to wipe my brush even more to blend the edges. Let me just use a clean brush because I feel like I cannot diffuse this. This is the other side of the brush because I'm using a brush that comes with an Urban Decay palette. This is an everyday smoky eye already. I'm gonna have to set it because otherwise it will crease. But that was so effortless. I am impressed. I also have here a contour stick. Maybe you don't have a darker concealer and you have a contour stick instead. I want to try it out as well. I just got this idea. I think this is a tiny bit lighter. Yeah, it's I think a little bit too light for my lids. Even though my face, it looks so much darker. I mean, this seems to work. It's just that the shade should have been a little bit darker. I believe this one is a little bit darker. It's the shade Mauritania from the same range, from Juvia's place. Yeah, it is a bit darker. Still not as dark as my concealer is. So contour stick works as well from what I can tell. Now I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow and set it, and I think that's it. I'm gonna pick this one from the... what's this? This is the Warrior by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna do the same kind of application, starting from the base of my lashes and going up. This eyeshadow is not too far from my concealer shade, so maybe just a tiny bit darker. That is indeed the most effortless smoky eye I've ever done. I can do the same on this other eye, but it's just that the transition is not that noticeable here. Like, I kind of even want to try darker concealers for a more intense smoky eye, because I do have some. Okay, these look close enough for me. I had to apply a little bit more eyeshadow here. I just applied some mascara. I also did some highlighting in my inner corner, but that's totally skippable. I'm impressed with this technique. I feel like it's a very quick, everyday makeup. If you're on a rush but you still want to do some eyeshadow, go ahead and try out this technique. I really love it. It's quick, effortless, and it really looks beautiful. 1 minute smoky eye it is. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you will try out this technique. Thank you so much again, Nina, for giving me this idea. I hope you found this video useful. Wish you a very beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!